Good afternoon. My name is Gins Eglitis, and today we are in Datron AG demo room, where we can see the big Mlcube machine live. It is a part of Tech Days, and I have received a chance to tell you more about this great machine. It is the best choice for cost-efficient sheet machining, for example, to make front panels, housings, profiles and other aluminium workpieces. It has a pretty huge table, 1.5 meter by 1 meter. On the right side, there is a nice machine control Datron Next, which is pretty revolutionary and easy to use. Next to it we can see also the compact hand control unit, which makes control of the machine more convenient. To use Next control is like swiping the smartphone. Software offers a full spectrum of information needed for the operator. We can easily implement our ideas live. The status screen shows all relevant information at a glance, and it can be easily seen from a distance. Datron Next actively assists you with a camera and a 3D measuring probe. Even without experience with milling tools, you will be able to set up your workpiece perfectly. Mlcube comes in two versions, with cutout in the table or full table. Module clamping technology allows you to use different types of clamping systems. Here particularly we see a large vacuum table on it. And we see also that some active machining has already taken place, lots of chips around. This is a typical situation by high-speed machining process. Mlcube series offers lots of machine options, like we have it in here. It has a clean cut system installed next to the spindle. Probing is something we always try to include in our customers' quotes. There is a tool probe fixed on the table, and the probe for workpiece 0 is located right to the spindle in a parked position. The machine concept is so-called portal, where the table is rigid. As an option, we can also have linear scales when we require more precise jobs. Most Datron family machines have solid, extremely flat and thermally stable polymer table. Mlcube is not an exception. It really accounts for precise usage of various clamping systems using centering cones, which are integrated in the table during assembly of the machines. This particular model has also a decent choice of spindles to meet all market requirements. If you have noticed, all Datron machines use minimum quantity lubrication systems. When machining is over, unclamp your part and it is perfectly clean. No need for washing operation. Time to time we have some inquiries when washing operations need to be omitted in the process of production. I hope you have received some good impression about Mlcube, and now we can switch to Neo. Ladies and gentlemen, let me present you our best-selling machine Datron Neo. This is a very compact machine we all really enjoy. It's been a while the machine is out in the market, and still we cannot stop admiring its uniqueness in its own segment. As you can see, it really is a space saver and can be easily transported through regular doors. Datron Neo architecture is somewhat different from its brother sister machines. It uses two-axis movement in a tool, and one axis goes for the table, which is epsilon axis. Neo machine is also equipped with Next control. It comes with 2 kW spindle generating 40,000 RPMs. Also is Neo one of the most dynamic machines in Datron family. It provides traverse speed up to 28 meter per minute. The machine weight is about 700 kilograms. We have two versions of the machine, Neo and Neo Plus. The machine build-up is very unique in some way. It combines steel stand with mineral casting. Smart move from Datron side. Here you can see Neo machine in its most rich configuration. We've got 4th axis with tailstock support. The machine comes with 24 tool pockets magazine. It is a rather good autonomy of tools for various types of applications. The probe for the tools is located within the tool magazine on my left. This particular machine features so-called direct collet system. You can easily clamp tools with the following tool shanks, like 3, 6, 8 mm in diameter. As we all know, Datron is not only about the machines. The company is well known for its high quality tools, and we got them in a big choice. So having machines with direct collet spindles means that you start your work immediately after the machine is installed, especially when you have some tools already at your stock. There is no need for clamping devices or cones like it is in a case of HSK spindle machine. Nowadays it has become so easy, and Neo is a real proof to it. The machine comes also with adapter kit and accessories needed to prepare your tools in a fast way. The option list is not so huge as in cases of cube machines, but we can have T-slot table variants, vacuum system, pneumatic lamps, 4th axis, as it was mentioned before. Spindle specs is in German here, but maybe some of you can read it. Milling has never been so easy. In order to make our Datron high-speed milling machines easy for every user to work with, the Datron external offers numerous features, and they are as following. A machine status signal light that can be seen from a distance, continuously and easily adjustable operating terminal height, continuously swivelable display, swivelable or fold-away keyboard with ergonomically designed palm rest, control elements, USB connector, emergency stop switch, key switch, and etc. Regarding Baltic area, Neo machines are sold most thanks to its good price-performance ratio. At the end of this review, some daily tips from my side. Always mind the safety when operating the machine. It is also recommended to check your air quality time to time and try to keep your work environment clean and tidy. Always use hand gloves when handling chip evacuation. I hope you have some good impression about Neo. Now on my left you see another Neo machine where it is possible to calibrate our online camera. Online camera feature first appeared exactly with introduction of Datron Control software next. For that reason we use a special Datron part. Besides, we see that the table has the same integrated centering cones as it is on any cube machine. I hope you have some good impression about Neo, and only M8 Cube is left for today's review. See you! Welcome back to Datron AG showroom. My last topic for today is a machine model M8 Cube. Still one of my favorite machine models from Datron family. It is not too big, it is not too small, just to the point. Beautifully designed machine and very flexible at the same time. It features a table size of 1000 mm by 720 mm. And similarly like with Mlcube, we have two table versions, full table or with a cutout. Here we can see a cutout version with some vertical clamping system installed. Further in the back you can see two tool boxes which make together up to 24 tool capacity. Machine buildup is the same portal with all three axes in tool movement. Such a concept always ensures non-changing machining conditions. In other words, they are not dependent on the workpiece weight. The same interactive machine control next with lots of software options available. The same online camera and the same probe systems for the tool and for the workpiece measurements. Look at this nice 3D shape, which was just milled out using vacuum table solution. Many customers do really like these vacuum systems because it is so convenient to set up your parts in seconds. Also, through milling is possible because we use special Datron vacuum cards that are 0.7 mm in thickness. Here you can see 3 kW HSK spindle version. As option, it is also possible to have 4 kW spindle with the same RPMs actually. Here one can try to remember a power equation when it is expressed by torque and angular speed. Thus we can see what components account for total kilowatts in our system. Now we are slowly moving to another Datron Mlcube machine. This machine has still previous generation tool magazines. The table surface is free from chips and one can better see the vacuum table with meander form slots and also the mentioned vacuum card on it. It is self-evident that you are free to use any kind of clamping system according to your real application needs. The main advantage of Mlcube is really its flexibility, which is needed in cases of multi-purpose machining. This machine is equipped with direct collet spindle amounting to 2 kW power. As far as I remember, it has highest RPMs available, which is 60,000. At the end of this review, I would like to stress that all Datron machines and their components are made in Germany. Nowadays, it is very important to know also a bit on the backstage of the manufacturer so that we are rather confident in what we are buying at the end of the day. I would like to express thanks to the Datron team for this nice event and the chance to spread the message about their nice machines. Thank you and have a good day. Those who were patient enough to watch it till the end have some time to hear milling sound in the background. Bye.